Hey paper callers, I'm Jordan Soto with Ringba, the premier call tracking platform for pay-per call marketers. In this episode, we're going to answer the question, what is call tracking? Your company spends a ton of money on digital marketing, and rightly so. That's how you introduce people to your brand and grow your business. But for important, expensive, and emotional purchases, people are wanting more than ever to talk to a real human who can help them. And that's where most marketing teams are flying blind. Once the customer picks up the phone, all of your tracking stops, and that potential sale never gets attributed to your advertising spend. But what if there was a way to seamlessly connect your digital and offline marketing spend to sales that happen over the phone? Introducing Ringba's award-winning call tracking platform. Purpose-built for marketers, Ringba connects all of your phone-based conversion events to your advertising dollars, giving you a complete 360-degree view of your customer's journey. And because Ringba seamlessly integrates all of the major advertising platforms and ships your conversion data in real time, you can take full advantage of automatic optimization. Learn more about how Ringba can help your organization track your complete customer journey and improve your return on advertising spend with a personalized demo now. This video is brought to you by Ringba. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading pay-per-call companies. Connect your online marketing to offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of pay-per-call, visit www.ringba.com.